you go, my love, I'll think I'm yours. My dreams, like trees, I hope one day.
Previously, on a new class with Miss Cynthia.
And now, I'm on a flying rock. Oh, this is wonderful. Look. Oh. I am next to Mickey Mouse.
Puppy. She looks all over the house. He is not in the bedroom or in the living room. He is not in the garden or in the doghouse.
Hello, my name is Matthew. I'm here to help Miss Cynthia with today's class. Will you take up Miss Cynthia's challenge? I dare you. Watch the Miss Cynthia's sequence and follow her. Tell us whether you overcame the challenge.
Hello, my beautiful children. Today we're going to do a coordination exercise. Okay, everybody, with me, you're going to begin with your right hand. And you go up and down. Up and down. Okay, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Ready? That's very easy, isn't it? Okay, so let's do the left arm. It's up, middle, and down. It's up, middle, and down. Up, middle, down. Up, middle, down. Up, middle, down. Up, middle, down. Are you ready? Now we're going to do it together. Let's do it slowly at the beginning. Up, middle, down. 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 Let's do it a little quicker, okay, with a different pace. Okay, everybody, let's get ready. Let's get ready. Up, middle, down. 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 Ready? Can we change? Now let's do it with our left arm. Up, down. Up and down. Up and down and up and down. Now the other arm. Up, middle, down. Up, middle, down. Up, middle, down. Up, middle, down. Let's do it slowly, okay? Up, middle, down. 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 Up, middle, down and up. Middle and down. Okay, let's do it a little quicker. Up, little, down. Up, little, down. Up, little, down. Up, middle, 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 and down. Okay, now we're going to introduce our feet. It's going to be easy. Don't worry, nothing difficult. So, we have up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Left, up, middle, down, up, middle, down, up, middle, down, up, middle, down. Okay? And we're going to do the same with both arms, but this time we're going to begin just pointing to the front. Yes? Let's do it very, very slowly. Okay, so let's go. Up, middle, down. 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 Up, middle, and down. Okay, so this was our exercise for today.
Could you complete the challenge? I'm sure you did. If you want, you can practice more and more. Remember, you can always rewind the video to watch the part you need or want. Let's go to today's topic.
Hello, my beautiful children. Do you see what I have here? Yes. Did you know that there is a National Dog Day in the United States? Well, there is. And it is celebrated on August 25th. We're going to learn some facts about dogs. Let's go to see that. But first, I would like to know something about what you know about dogs. So, could you please go to your handout and tick? Are you ready? Now let's go to see the video and to see some important facts about dogs.
Interesting facts about dogs. Throughout human history, the domestic dog has been one of the most popular working and companion animals. Dogs have been around humans for 12,000 years. Dogs are direct descendants of wolves. There are hundreds of different breeds of dogs. In total, there are around 400 million dogs in the world. In the United States, more than 1 in 3 families owns a dog. Dogs can hear sounds 4 times further away than people. Their hearing is more than 10 times better than that of a person. A dog's sense of smell, on the other hand, is at least 1 million times stronger than ours. An average dog can run about 19 miles per hour at its full speed. The greyhound is the fastest dog on earth. They can reach speeds of 45 miles an hour. The average lifespan for a dog is around 10 to 14 years. During its lifetime, the typical dog costs $13,500 to its owner. Dogs are omnivorous. This means that they must eat both meat and plants. Dogs eat a variety of foods such as meats, grains, and vegetables. Dogs will be submissive to anyone they feel higher up in the pack.
Good.
It is not true that dogs are colorblind. Dogs actually see color, but just not as vividly as a person. On the other hand, dogs can see much better at night than humans. Dogs are called man's best friend. They perform a number of tasks for humans, including hunting, farm work, and security. Dogs are able to assist people with disabilities, such as the blind. Dogs can have a lot of energy stored up in their bodies during the day. They should be walked every day because going for a walk helps to release that energy. The number one health problem in dogs is obesity. An adult dog has 42 teeth. A dog's nose print is one of a kind. This is very similar to a person's fingerprint.
How did you like the video? Did you like it? Did you know all those facts about dogs? I didn't. Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the box. Go to the handout and draw your pet, even if it is not a dog. But if you don't have a pet, draw your favorite animal.
Will you please go to Askbook page 30? Go to page 30, match the words to the pictures. Use different colors. In the second exercise, draw a dog. Trace the bars.
Remember, send a photo of your work through the platform or by email to cmendes@ashmondschool.edu.mx.
Well, I guess this is all for today. Thank you for having me in your class. Ta-ta then. As always, Miss Cynthia sends you a big hug.